The power of dividends. Watch your money grow. Dividend stocks are a powerful tool for building wealth. They provide a steady stream of passive income, which can help you achieve your financial goals. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the beauty of dividends. When you buy dividend stocks, you're investing in companies that share their profits with shareholders. These payments are called dividends, and they are usually paid out quarterly. Think of it as getting paid to own a piece of successful companies. Many well-established companies offer dividends. These companies have a history of profitability and are committed to rewarding their investors. By investing in these companies, you can benefit from their success. Dividend investing is a long-term strategy. It's about building a portfolio that generates consistent income. This can help you achieve financial security and provide you with peace of mind. Taking the first step, your dividend investing journey begins. Getting started with dividend investing is easier than you might think. The first step is to open a brokerage account. This will give you access to the stock market. There are many reputable online brokers available. Once you have a brokerage account, you need to fund it. You can start with a small amount of money. Even $100 is enough to get started. The key is to start investing early and consistently. Next, you need to do your research. Look for companies that have a history of paying dividends. Consider factors like their financial health and growth potential. Remember, diversification is crucial. This means investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors. There are many resources available to help you find dividend-paying stocks. You can use online stock screeners, and you can also consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals. Choosing wisely. Selecting dividend stocks for your portfolio. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. It's essential to choose wisely. Look for companies with a solid track record of paying dividends. A company's dividend yield is a good indicator of its dividend payout relative to its stock price. However, don't be fooled by high dividend yields alone. A very high yield could be a red flag. It might indicate that the company is facing financial difficulties. It's important to look beyond the yield. Consider the company's payout ratio. This measures the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends. A sustainable payout ratio is crucial. It ensures that the company can continue paying dividends in the future. Also, research the company's industry and competitive landscape. Look for companies with a durable competitive advantage. This will help them maintain their profitability and dividend payments over time. Reaping the rewards. Earning $10,000 a year in dividends. Imagine earning an extra $10,000 a year without lifting a finger. That's the power of dividend investing. To achieve this goal, you need to build a portfolio that generates a substantial amount of passive income. Let's assume you want to earn $10,000 per year from a portfolio with an average dividend yield of 4%. To calculate the amount you need to invest, divide the desired annual income, which is $10,000, by the dividend yield, which is 0.04. The result is $250,000. This means you would need to invest $250,000 in a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. Of course, you can start with a smaller amount and gradually build up your portfolio over time. Remember that dividends are not guaranteed. Companies can cut or eliminate their dividends at any time. Therefore, it's important to diversify your portfolio and invest in companies with a strong track record of dividend payments. Scaling up. Achieving financial freedom with $10,000 monthly dividends. Earning $10,000 per month in dividends is an ambitious goal, but it's certainly achievable with the right strategy and a long-term perspective. To generate this level of passive income, you'll need a significantly larger portfolio. Using the same calculation as before, assuming a 4% average dividend yield, you would need a portfolio of $3 million to earn $10,000 per month in dividends. This highlights the importance of starting early, investing consistently, and benefiting from the power of compounding. Remember, building a seven-figure dividend portfolio takes time and discipline. It requires patience, consistent investing, and reinvesting your dividends to accelerate your progress. By staying committed to your long-term financial goals, you can achieve financial freedom and live on your own terms. Dividend investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay informed, seek professional advice when needed, and enjoy the ride as you watch your wealth grow.